In this video, we will show the 3 programming changes that need to be made related to the installed Problem Water Injector Kit. Press any button to start, and if the screen reads as shown, simply press and hold the settings button down for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep. This means that you've successfully unlocked the control valve. First, press and hold the arrow down button for several seconds until you hear a beep and this code appears. Then press the arrow up button to change the first 0 to read as 1. Then press the manual regen button 3 times until you arrive at the language screen. Press the manual regen button several more times until you arrive at iron and manganese, 2,500 grains. Now press the arrow down button several times until the screen shows 2,100 grains. Then press the manual regen button several times until you see programming complete and the date and time appear. Then press and hold the settings button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the time of day is shown. Continue to press the settings button until you reach the water source. You want to make sure that Well Other is highlighted. Then press the settings button until you see programming complete and the current date and time are shown. You have now successfully programmed the control valve to align with the installed Problem Water Injector Kit.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.